In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animations to your Squarespace website. So as you can see, I'm on my current website right now. And if I scroll down, we have kind of like this fade in and pop up animation that I have. And it just makes the website look a little bit more professional and cleaner. And basically to be able to do this, it's really, really simple. What you need to make sure is you are on your Squarespace website. And what you want to do is head over to where it's got this kind of paintbrush icon in the top right hand corner, which says Site Styles. And you're going to want to click on that. From here, you want to scroll down to where it says Miscellaneous. And what you'll notice is an animations menu, which you can click on, and it's got some different options. So currently right now, I have the style set to slide, which you can obviously see, but we could change it to scale. And as you can see, it has that scale effect. We could also change it to fade, so it kind of fades in. You've got flex, you've got clip, and once again, you've got slide, which is the one that I currently have right now. You can also change the speed that this happens. So if I set it to slow, it's going to come in a little bit slower. And if I set it too fast, it's going to come in a little bit more rapid. It's completely up to you how you have it. I personally have mine on median, but that is essentially how you can set an animation for all of your blocks and sections on your Squarespace website. Once you're ready and you're finished, you just go ahead and click save. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.